ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तदभक्ताय नमो। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नमाम चरणान्तिके। First of all, my lakhs and lakhs Dandavat Pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual Guru, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and also in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. By their mercy, causeless mercy, I am able to come to this place, very far away. So, they should be merciful to me and to you all, because they are so merciful, causeless merciful. I have served both. I have served not only my Gurudev, but I have served perhaps all the prominent disciples of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. So I think myself so fortunate. I have served my holy master. I have served Param Pujyapad Srila Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Srauti Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Giri Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Nemi Maharaj, Vaikhanas Maharaj, Pujyapad Jajawar Maharaj. Also, so much I have served to Puri Maharaj. Now, Bhakti Pramod Puri Maharaj. And also I am so much fortunate to serve my Shiksha Guru, Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. From beginning, I am fortunate to serve him. From 46, when I joined, or Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, same thing like ISKCON. Only some difference of words and letters, but same thing. All are Krishna consciousness, coming from Krishna himself through the line of Brahma, Vyasdev, Sukdev Goswami, and thus from Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda up to this, my Gurudev and Swamiji. And it will go on, it will not stop. We should have a strong belief in this. This current, this line will not stop until this whole world will be ruined and again come. But this line is transcendental. It not stop any time. Because Brahma has told like this. Vyasadeva has told like this. Narad Goswami has told like this. Srila Bhaktivinoda always telling like this. So you should not think that this line will be stopped after Swamiji. Never. This line is transcendental. And you should be always thinking that, oh, pure Vaishnava will come. This world will not be empty from pure devotees. Time to time Krishna will arrange, and if there is no Vaishnava, he will come in the shape of Vaishnava like he came in shape of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Sachinandan Gaur. He is himself Krishna. So when there is no Brahma, no Shankar to manage this world, then he becomes Brahma, Krishna himself. And then he becomes also Sadashiv. So why he will not be like this? And I think, oh, in world, all time, Vaishnava will be there. You should not worry that, oh, this was the lost, Prabhupada was lost, I am lost, and after that he will be lost. Never. So don't you believe in Ritvik or bogus things. Ritvik system is very bogus. Any epics in our Shastra,
Vedic culture,
anywhere not written for this transcendental things, Ritvik. Ritvik is temporary, very temporary, only for sacrifices. And you will give some dakshina and they will go. And only for worldly desires. But our line is transcendental. So no place of Ritvik here. So this Ritvik's idea now, which is coming, it is pure bogus. You shouldn't believe in these bogus ideas. Because, anyhow, the very good devotees will come in this world. Even there must be Madhyam class of Vaishnava. Must be. Whether they are in any shape, but they must be. So I have written something about this. Perhaps we have that book here, and you try to have that book and you will see so many things about Guru Parampara, about Bhagavad Parampara, about Rishte. I have written very authentic things, and you will read this. One thing I should tell you, that Krishna, this world has come from Krishna. Not directly from Krishna, but from here, there, Krishna manifestations. Krishna is always in Vrindavan, always playing, and he is sinking in love and affection of gopis there. But at the same time he is Sarvagya,
omniscient,
omniscience,
All-knowing.
all-knowing. And there are lakhs and lakhs manifestations you cannot imagine. And how he maintains that this world comes. So, Krishna can create this world. He can very easily destroy. In a second. Not only one world, there are lakhs and lakhs innumerable worlds. So he can create all worlds in a moment, and he can destroy. And again he can make another so many worlds. He is so powerful. Any human being cannot do anything. Never can do anything. So you are fearing, some of you devotees, That's where to go, a war will come and we will be destroyed. So bombs will come here and there. So we should try to go in a safe place where we can be safe.
Desert area.
Natural disaster. Not bombs, natural disaster.
So you should not fear for this. And if Krishna is going to destroy, anyone cannot help anywhere. In Calcutta, I remember one story that Japan was bombing in Calcutta. I don't remember, perhaps on 47 or 48. And there were so many Udiyar devotees, very intelligent. They thought that, bombs are coming here and there. So where we should take shelter?
Hide ourselves.
So many Udiyars, devotees, assembled and they wanted to take anywhere shelter. They saw that there was a very big heap of straw. Dry straw. Oh, very good. Big. And they thought that if we can enter in this anywhere, then fire cannot, bomb cannot touch us. And they were hidden in this. And a bomb, not bomb, a
spark of bomb.
A spark of bomb came, and any second all people were, and they were all dead. So we are like intelligent more than them. So don't we worry for this. Take shelter of Krishna. Death cannot touch him, because this soul is immortal, everlasting. Water cannot touch, bomb cannot touch, fire cannot touch, and ether cannot touch, anything cannot touch this Atma. So you are reading Gita, and why you are worried for this? You should read Gita. This is the primary book, not PhD. What?
Post graduation.
No.
PhD.
Delete उसको क्या कहते हैं?
Post graduate.
Post graduate
master
book.
degree.
Or Srimad Bhagavad is post graduate book. So you should read these things. In beginning it has been told, Atma is, soul is
Immortal.
Any bomb, anything, bow and arrow, they cannot touch. Arjun, you are like a foolish, and you are thinking that I am so intelligent, so I don't want to cut all these persons, as if you are God and you are going to generate or you are going to cut. You cannot touch. I have made all these things, what will be? And you can see in my mouth. And he saw. What he saw? Whole universe he saw. That all are going to die. In his one teeth, all are situated. And he becomes so fearful. And he told, "Oh Krishna, please show me your first shape. I am very fearful." What I have told you? That, oh friend Krishna, oh my charioteer, I am very worried for these words. Please forgive us. I will never tell like this. You are the creator of creators. You are
God of gods.
God of God.
You are God of God. You are Supreme Personality of Godhead. So I am praying here. So Krishna has arranged everything. So you should not worry. You should sit here very patiently. Don't go here and there to take shelter that bomb will come or any disaster will come. Never be. Where you are, you should be there. Sthane sthita tanvang manobhi prayaso ajit jito pitrejatalukyam. Where you are, you should be there. If you are a householder life, you should be there. If you are brahmachari, you should be there. If you are a non-order sannyasi, you should be there. If you are Vrindavan, there you should be. If you are Momalamba here, you should be here, no harm. But by mind you should all be in Vrindavan. It can be done. That I am Vrindavan, in Vrindavan. Of very pleasant Vrindavan, transcendental Vrindavan. Jamuna is flowing so sweetly. Like kalkal sound. And bees are humming on the lotus flowers in Jamuna, in Manasi Ganga, in the Radha Kund, Shyam Kund. And so many deers are there, and so many flowers, Beli, Chameli, Jui are there, and transcendental Radha Krishna are there. And thinking this, you should chant Hare. You are in Vrindavan. Vrindavan, in Vrindavan, there cannot come any bum. Anything. Putana also cannot come. Agasur, Bakasur cannot come. How they came? Oh, because Yogamaya called them. To make some pastimes of Krishna. Otherwise they cannot come. And in that transcendental Vrindavan, Golok Vrindavan, there is no Putana, no Agasur, no Kans, only some idea is there. Ego is there. Only in this Braja. Yeah. So you should not be worried for that. That you should go in a desert and there you should make a home in underground. Yes. Otherwise you will go there and first anyhow fire will come and first you will go and you will die. So don't be. So making your heart like this, peaceful where you are, and you shall chant and then Krishna will come, call you, oh like a dog. Oh, Krishna will tell, oh come on, and you should be ready for going there. So don't be worried for this. First thing then. Vaishnava has had no problem at all. Only problem, how to take darshan of Krishna, how to serve Krishna. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Puri and what he was telling? Sing Jagannath, where should I go? Where I will have Krishna? Without Krishna this heart is breaking. What should I do? Weeping, rolling down on the earth. Only this problem. So we should try to understand all these things. And we will try to give some idea on these things in our classes. In 7 days, we cannot tell so many things, but a line we can draw sometimes. How you should chant and remember. Only that you will be happy. And try to take it, all these things, in your hearts, and try to follow all these things. And I think that you will all be happy, surely. With a very strong belief, with very strong honor. Don't have doubt. Never have doubt. First I want to tell that Gauranga bolito have pulaka sharir. Narottam Thakur, you know Narottam Thakur, a very high class of Vaishnava. Actually he is Manjari, Bilas Manjari of Golok Vrindavan. He descended to preach the mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur was in his line. He took initiation from Loknath Goswami. How renowned he was. Loknath Goswami has served Mahaprabhu. He was like a boyfriend of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he came first. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered him, oh, with Bhugarbha Goswami you should go to Vrindavan and make place for me that I will come. So, he determined that I will not make any disciple. And he was chanting, remember, always weeping, rolling down and going throughout whole Vrindavan. We went this last parikrama to his places in Khadir Ban and another Kishori Kunda, from where he deity received God. Kishori Ban. Khelan Tirtha, Khela Tirtha, that is Shergarh, and so many places. In Vrindavan, there is a samadhi of Srila Loknath Das Goswami. He refused first to make disciple this prince. He was like a prince. He told that, oh, you should go, I will not make any disciple. But he was determined, and he began to clear the stool of Loknath Das Goswami. In the night, he was caught red-handed. Loknath, who are you and why you are doing so? He began to weep. And he was at that time a very teeny aged, like 14, 15 or 16 aged, very beautiful prince. He began to weep. I want to take shelter in your lotus feet. I cannot be without Krishna. I want to serve Krishna. I will die if you are not showering your mercy to me. Then he became bound to give him. So we should be like that. A disciple like Narottam Thakur. So how he is waiting for Radha and Krishna. We should try to be like Narottam Thakur if we want Krishna prem. Especially conjugal love. From where we can have? If we have so many worldly desires, so many desires here, there, full up to here also, then we cannot have these things, this nectar. So he is telling Narottam Thakur, he is weeping bitterly, that Gauranga bolite have pulaka sharir, Hari Hari bolite nayana bapanir. When I will utter Gauranga, oh Sachinandan Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, like this. And I will weep bitterly, not knowing, unknowing. What?
Spontaneously. Natural.
Natural way. Why? To have conjugal love. If we have that object of the life, we must have an object of life. What is the object of life? If we have no object, then there is no practice. We should fix our life of goal of life or object, and then how we can
achieve that
goal, then it will come secondary. So first we should know what is our goal of life. How you can know? Only by association you can know. Krishna mercy is everywhere, and especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is himself Krishna, not other than Krishna. But he is now having the mood, intrinsic mood of Radhika, and also the color of golden beauty of Radhika. He has come in the shape of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So now he has combined mercy of himself, Krishna, and also of Radhika. Srimati Radhika is more merciful. More merciful. And she is powerful. What Krishna does, he cannot do anything without help of Radhika, without power. So Radhika is power. When Govardhan he lifted, who lifted?
Srimati Radhika.
Srimati Radhika, not Krishna. Krishna has only wish, no power. What he says, what he desires, what he does, everything Srimati Radhika. And without Radhika he cannot test any Hladini Shakti or any Ananda. So now he has come with combined mercy. So he is now so much
merciful. Causeless mercy.
Well, he has come to distribute his mercy. What mercy? That mercy. Even Brahma, Shankar and gods, demigods, they have not that. Even this mercy is not showering in Vaikuntha, not in Ajodhya, not even in Dwarka and Mathura. Nowhere. That mercy is there. Also, they are serving all gopis in that mood there. But this shower is not there also in Vrindavan. Understand what I am going to tell? Krishna is their object of love and that prem. He is not giving anyone. Not giving. Only in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, he is distributing. And how distributing? If you have no pot, oh come on. I will give you love and affection. And with pot. Krishna can give any his mercy if you have pot. If you are qualified. Je jathang mam prapadante tam tathayuva bhajamyaham. Mam anvartante manusya parth sarvasa. Je jathang mam prapadante. Those who are serving me, I will give love and affection. In this accordingly. He cannot give anything more. He has some
restriction.
No.
Scale.
A scale.
Balance.
And he will see that he will measure how you are qualified. Have you bought? If not, but then return. He will. Oh, you should return. And if you have bought some capacity, he will give only to that. A scale. He cannot give more or less. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no need of pot anything. Oh, I will give you pot. You should come only. And to whom he saw by his eyes, he gave so much mercy. With pot. Even to Jagai Madhai. So if you are going to any pure devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you can easily know the object of the life. So we must cry for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Oh Gauranga. That is it. Gauranga bolite have pulak. We should pray to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And when a pulak will come, pulak means our hairs will be standing, heart will be melting. You can realize sometimes you are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. If you are so lucky and fortunate and you are totally telling Hare Krishna from your interior of heart, you can sometimes may realize this. Some tears will come. And you can feel that how it is. Very high thing. Your life will be successful if one time you have realized this. So his brains are. When a day will come, I will be so fortunate that I will utter Gauranga Dev and tears will come. And I will be rolling down on the earth. Heart will be melting. Why he is telling? Oh, without this, Krishna Prem cannot come. We cannot relish Krishna Prem. So he is. But at the same time, he is telling that if he will tell Gauranga, then Hari Hari bolite then we will chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Here Hari means what?
This.
Both. Coming from Hare, Hari Krishna and Hara Srimati Radhika. Hare Krishna, Radha Krishna. Hare Ram, like what?
Radha.
Radha Raman Ram with Radhika. Very good name. There is not so much rush in Krishna name or Radha name as it is in Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always doing like this, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So he is praying that when a day will come, that they will chant Hare Hare and tears will come. But it will not come if you have so many worldly desires. If you are engaged in maintaining your life, your children's life, and maintaining your worldly things, and if you are so much attached with worldly things, then Krishna will not come. Tears will not come. So how we can practice this? So he is telling, Ar kabe nitai chander karuna hove. If you want to chant Gaur Hari name with tears in our eyes and with heart melting, then you should take shelter of the lotus feet of Gaur Nityananda Prabhu. Without this you cannot do. Because he is
undivided Guru Tattva.
Undivided, Akhanda Guru Tattva. Our Gurudev is manifestation of that Nityananda Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu. He is not other than Nityananda Prabhu. And if he is good, but not bogus gurus, those who are daily falling, 10 times, lakhs times a day, they are falling down. Their heart does not touch, cannot touch Krishna. They will not cry by chanting Hare Krishna or by chanting Gauranga Bolite Have Pulav. Never. And that is why they are not touching this transcendental name. And so they are falling now. But we are saying today, at that time we could not see that they are fallen. They never
were elevated.
Elevated. Never. Elevated person cannot go down. Never. So we should not be worried for this. And if we have unknowingly made them Guru, then we should reject and very soon we should.
Punascha vidhina sammagrahe.
Because all Shastra, the scriptures are telling like that. At totally, any 1 second we should reject them. And we should try. Because our life is to realize Krishna. We are given this heart to Krishna. So those who will help, they are my Guru. And those who cannot help, they are not Guru. This is very ordinary thing to realize. So those who are helping, they don't want your money, they don't want your praise, they don't want your delicious foods and anything, garments and anything. But they want to give you this type of class of love and devotion to you. They are really Guru. They are undivided Guru in Nityananda Prabhu. So without the mercy, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu may consider something, whether I give or not, like Jagai Madhai. He gave it to Madhai. Jagai, Madhai. First, Jagai. And he was not giving, he was not willing to give Madhai. But Nityananda Prabhu told, if you are not giving, then I will be so worried. You have come to give your mercy to all. So both were playing, gambling,
At the same time.
quarreling, both. So I am happy to this, that he made a stroke in my head. No mind. So please be merciful. I am praying you. And then Mahaprabhu give him. So Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful. Why? Sansara dava nalanidha loka pranaya karunya dhana khanattam praptasya kalyana gunarnavasya bande guroshi charanarvindam. Gurudev is the embodiment of the whole mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna. So Baldev Prabhu is the whole mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he is most merciful. So we should take shelter in the lotus feet of Chaitanya Nityananda. He will not fall, never fall. He has never fallen. He is transcendental. His mercy is transcendental. His name is transcendental. We can believe on him. If any guru is obeying Nityananda Prabhu and he is going on the path, following on the path of Nityananda Prabhu, he should be maintained as the guru, otherwise not. If he is not in line, totally in line of Nityananda Prabhu, he cannot be guru. He may be so learned, he may be so opulence as may have, but actually he is not guru. So he is telling, Ar kabe nitai chander karuna hobe. When a mercy will come from Nityananda Prabhu, sansar vasana mor kabe tukcha hobe. Then our worldly desires will go away. Very quickly if Nityananda Prabhu mercy is there. So we should try to pray for the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Through our guru. But bona fide guru, qualified guru. There are some proof, lakshan, symptoms, and which I told in Srimad Bhagavatam and all epics, like Tasmad Gurung Prapaddeta Jigyasu Se Uttamam Shabde Parecha Nishanatam Brahmanyupashamashayam. We should go to a guru who is detached from worldly desires and all these things, and he is so much a scholar in all Ved Shastra. But this is also not so much, this is secondary symptom. First and prominent is what? He has some realization of Krishna name, that Krishna and Krishna name are same. Those who have realized, oh, little bit, no harm, then he is good. Otherwise he is not good. So, if he is a realized person, he knows all the Shastra, and he can remove our whole doubts. And he detached from worldly desires. He don't want anything which we want. If he is wanting all these things which you want, you require, then how he is guru? He is not devotee, pure devotee. So this is the symptom. You can judge yourself. It is not so much high thing. Very easily you can know. So Nityananda Prabhu, when he will be mercy, when he will shower mercy to us, that our all unwanted thing go away. Our whole worldly desire will go. Only when one desire will be there, how to serve Krishna, how to serve devotee. Our whole endeavor will be to please Krishna, to please his associates. That is, in other words, we can tell like that, a spontaneous activities are of mind, body and intelligence and or mood to serve Krishna. And giving up karma jnana, yog, tapasya, all karma, rejecting all. It should not be covered with jnana and knowledge and fruitive कर्म. Never. And there should be no other desire than to serve Krishna and devotees. Then this is called pure bhakti. So, by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, all desire may go. Otherwise, we are not praying for the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, and we want to give up all the worldly desires, then they will more come. More and more they will come. So, we should try to please Nityananda Prabhu, pray Nityananda Prabhu. Vishay chhadiya kabe suddha viman kabe ham heraba se Vrindavan. When all the desires will go by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then we see where we are, we will see, oh, very beautiful, transcendental Vrindavan. Radha and Krishna conjugal with their gopis and gopis, cowherd boy. And sometimes you can see that Krishna is playing with all gopis, Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra and all others. You can see. Sometimes you can see in Radhakund, Shyamkund, sometimes in Vrindavan, sometimes in Bhandirivan, Nandagaon also. You can see how beautiful and pleasant Vrindavan. Rupa Raghunath. Without the mercy of Rupa Goswami, if by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, worldly desires and unwanted desires and offense are going, but without the mercy of Rupa and Raghunath, or Rupa Sanatan, Rupa Raghunath, oh, you cannot see Vrindavan. So, Nityananda Prabhu should be merciful to us, that he should give the feet dust of Srila Rupa Goswami. We can take shelter in the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami. So Nityananda Prabhu, like Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami is telling in Chaitanya Charitamrita, by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, I came to Vrindavan. I saw Vrindavan. I took holy darshan of Vrindavan. Oh, very easily Rupa Sanatan became my holy master. Only by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. And without the mercy of Rupa Sanatan, you cannot realize the ABCD of
Spiritual
this
life.
very tasteful and sweet fragrance of Vrindavan. Why? Because Rupa and Raghunath are Rupa Manjari and
Rati Manjari.
Rati Manjari. What Lalita Vishakha cannot give, that these maid servant Sakhis, Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Goswami, they can give. Lalita and Vishakha are so high, they are Sakhis, and these are Manjaris, but Manjari has so much power. How? Like you cannot see president, but if he will go to his
Personal secretary.
secretary, not. Oh, who is in his house always doing here and there.
Servant.
Servant. Especially you can go to his maid servant, who is always brewing there and making so many arrangements. And she will take you very easily to president. His personal secretary cannot do. The police, those who are there, they cannot do. But she will, oh, come on. Oh. And president is going to take shower. Or he is going, oh, his naked body, party is still. Oh, come on. And who is he? Oh, he is my friend, he wants to meet you. So these Manjaris are more powerful than Lalita and Vishakha. Where Lalita Vishakha cannot go easily. Where Krishna and Radhika are playing half naked or anything. But these Manjaris always serving, fanning and giving chamar. Oh, then, oh, come on. Then Krishna will ask, who are they? Oh, my friends. Oh, then he will give his whole mercy. So, Rupa and Raghunath are like this. So, you will have to take shelter in the lotus feet of Rupa Raghunath. They are like खजांची के की बोले treasurer, like treasurer. Without their mercy, we cannot realize anything, ABCD. So we must take shelter of Rupa and Raghunath. In the pastime of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are Rupa and Sanatan, always serving. Sankhya Purvaka Nam Ganati Vikala Vasani Kritau Nidrahar Vihar Kadi Vijitau Chatanta Dino Chulu Radha Krishna Gunasmrite Madhurimandena Sammohitau Bande Rupa Sanatana Raghujugo Siji. Our Swamiji, Reverend Swamiji, Bhakti Vedanta Swami, he always try to sing this kirtan with tears in his eyes. Always. He was very fond of this. So, when I will see Vrindavan by the mercy of Rupa and Raghunath, Rupa Raghunath pade haibe akuti kabe ham bujhab se jugal priti. You can see, but when more mercy of Rupa and Raghunath will come, then you can realize. And you can see, you can taste what is Vrindavan Jugal Rasa. Jugal Priti. Jugal Priti means what is the love between Krishna is object of love. You know, is object of love. And Srimati Radhika is the highest abode of that love. Krishna wants to realize something about that. Krishna knows everything. He is master of all rasas. There is nothing that Krishna does not know. Sometimes he becomes one ras, and sometimes he tastes so many ras. When he is object of ras, he is Atmaram, Atmakam. You know Atmaram? What is Atmaram?
Self-satisfied.
Nothing to tell, nothing to do, nothing to taste, anything. He is a ras, himself ras. But when he becomes anek ras, means so many rases, then this ras is called Atmaras and Pararas. Atmaras means all the rasas in Krishna. But Pararas, the ras in supreme container of love, Radhika. No? Radhika has so much high class of love and affection that Krishna cannot realize. So Krishna wants to realize these things. And that is called Madan Bhav. Only in Srimati Radhika. And always see that Madan makes dance of Krishna. But he knows what is this? So Chaitanya, Krishna came in the shape of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to relish this only. Very high subject. I want to give something a little sprinkle of this. You should try to realize all these things. I have nothing come to give any bhakti, Vaidhi bhakti. You know all Vaidhi bhakti. Chanting, remembering. I want to give as some little idea of this. That you should always be engaged in this. So don't be worried for your maintaining wife, husband, children so much. If you are in this way doing, then Krishna will maintain more beautifully.
More better.
More better than you, who you cannot do anything. So give up on all these things on Krishna. And because he has promised that I will do. I can. I will take what you require on my head. I will serve you. So why you are so much worried for these things? But I think that all are worried for this. Don't be worried. Try to be like us. Oh, we will never care for anything. And Krishna, throw you all lakhs and lakhs. Some are bringing fruits, some delicious things, flowers, everything. Then why we should worry? Krishna should be very far away. So he is telling, Rupa Raghunath, Pade haibe akuvati kabe hama bujab se jugal paiti. If you are taking shelter in the lotus feet of Rupa and Raghunath, then what they will give? What they have in their heart? What they have? Only conjugal ocean of rush there, always serving them. So if you are taking shelter in the lotus feet of Rupa and Raghunath, they will give you their treasury, what is there. And that treasury is what? Pure love and affection. What kind of love? Friendship or Vatsalya rush? Father-mother rush? No. What is? Only Unnata Ujjvala Rasa. For which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to distribute. So, we can have that. And our life will be successful. Rupa Raghunath Pade Rahumur Ash Prarthana Kare Sada Narottam Das. Oh, Rupa Raghunath, I am giving my prayer in your lotus feet. My hope is there only. You are my hope. Your lotus feet dust are my hope. Nothing else. I don't want anything. Can you tell or can you pray like this? You will see. And next morning, you will have all these things. I have come only to remind you all these things. So you should try to take all these things and to follow all these things, and you will be happy. If you are doing so, you are in Vrindavan, in the lotus feet of Rupa Raghunath, in the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu, and then you will chant Radhe Radhe Krishna Krishna, and you will weep, Oh Gauranga Dev, Gaur Praman.
Hare Hare Hare.
From tomorrow we will try to come in these subjects. Last year I get some not completed. I touched first sloka of Manasiksha. I will remind it, and then second, and gradually we will give something. How we can practice Shuddha Bhakti Yoga in the line of Rupa Raghunath, in the line of Sarup Damodar, in the line of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And you should try to note down, not in black box. That black box can cheat you, but this cannot cheat you. Try to keep here. And always remind. No.
Jaya Radhe, Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite.
Jaya Govinda Bhakt Prabhu.